Create your auto invest plan on Tiger Trade now. By setting up auto invest, you'll invest the same amount of money in a target stock or ETF at regular intervals, regardless of price. It saves you time and the hassle of timing and placing orders. And it also prevents a poorly timed lump sum investment at a potentially higher price and may lower the average cost per share. Getting started with auto invest is easy. First, download the latest version of Tiger Trade. You will see Auto Invest on the homepage. Click Add a Plan on the stock or ETF you like. Simply input the amount and choose the frequency. For example, you may set the plan to invest $50 every Monday. After the plan is set, the corresponding amount of money will be transferred from your account. You can edit or cancel your plan at any time, but make sure to do it at least 30 minutes before the order is executed. You'll need to add separate plans for individual stocks or ETFs. The system will automatically make a market order on the date you set. We don't charge any extra fees for Auto Invest, just our regular trading fees. To make it easy to access Auto Invest, we suggest you edit the feed on your homepage and set Auto Invest at the top. You can also visit the stock page and click Auto Invest at the bottom.